I have an important video for you guys today. Good stuff for you today as BTC is taking a tumble. I told everyone to short in this region in my previous videos. If you've been watching this channel, very, very clear corrective pattern to the upside here, correcting this move down. We are getting follow through on this move. Finally, I have many charts to go over with you today. I have the most probable close up likely count mapped out for you. We're also going to hit Ethereum. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, follow me on X. I'm sitting short over on Blowfin. Check out the free Discord if you want to learn Elliott Wave, because that is how we nail these trades, baby. I have a free Elliott Wave course right here for you, as well as 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts for your viewing pleasure. Let's get into the analysis, baby. Again, sitting short over on Blowfin, and I'm holding this. I'm holding this, guys. I don't care what you say. Full disclosure, I was short Ethereum. Ethereum decided to come up and liquidity sweep one more time. We got stopped out. It's all good, baby. Who cares? She was playing dirty. Starting out, actually, let's go over this chart real quick, guys. If you've been watching this channel, you know we were long down here at the lows at 75, 76K, looking to play this entire move to the upside. Cashed out nicely on this little move. We saw the failure coming. Re-entered long. Cashed out up here. We started shorting up here. And I am still shorting up here, guys. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. This is the trade map. This is what we've been doing on this channel. If you've been watching this channel, you would know this to be truth. Go back to the videos and watch. I am short up here, guys, and change my mind. You can't. I'm going to show you why and explain to you why in this video. Stick with me through the whole video. Make sure you watch the whole video all the way through. This is very important stuff, and I have good charts coming up for you guys. But let's go over the daily, the weekly, the zoomed out view as we always do. This is my most probable scenario for Bitcoin. Ethereum has a count that can give me this shape up here. It fits nicely. Solana, other alts can give me the shape up here. It fits nicely. So I'm going with this. Looking at a leading diagonal as of right now. If you guys are in the free Discord, in my long term, down here in free content and boot camp, I posted this December 8th last year. All right, like what was that? 7 months ago, 8 months ago, 6 months ago. This is the chart that I posted, and I have this down move coming. I have a swooping up to 140 and then a larger scale correction. Guys, nothing has really changed here overall. The times are way off. I'm not trying to get the time. I'm just more so focused on the actual structure and the shape of it. And nothing has changed here. As you guys can see over on my most likely scenario, we are still getting, I have this down move coming here and then up to 140, 150 right here. And then we get this big down move. Same thing, guys. I posted this chart how long ago, right? That's kind of the power of Elliott Wave and seeing these structures take place, seeing where liquidity's at. But on the main chart with the primary count, what I'm seeing is a pretty sizable, pretty substantial pullback here. And I'm essentially just trying to get a corrective move to the upside to finish out this leading diag. As we know, diags are corrective with each leg. Corrective. Now, this is not perfect, but it is my primary count. There are other counts that we need to be aware of that can say, hey, we're going to come down pretty fast, pretty violently right now. And we're putting in some type of a flat here. We need to be aware of that. And shoot, I mean, there's bullish counts. Highly unlikely, in my opinion, to just keep ripping to the upside from here. But they're you know, anything's possible, right? Anything's possible. We know that as traders. We just go with the most probable path for price action. But this is what I'm trading. This little down move with potential for a pretty serious dump down to 60K. But I think that's just going to come later at this point. Let's zoom in on this right here. This is here. Let me pull out real quick. Let me pull out. Sounds nasty. All right. So here's all-time high. We're kind of failing a breakout of all-time high. And I see a lot of people and a lot of Elliottians kind of counting this structure a little strange, There, you know, all of these legs are very, very similar pushes up, and I'm not looking at them as individual kind of legs. How I am counting this is saying that we are finished here. And really, this is the only way to count it, to say we are finished here. Otherwise, you're going to get continuation patterns. You're going to get, this is a correction. Hey, we're going to push up some more. Hey, we're going to push up some more. And I'm not seeing that, guys. In Elliott, you don't get perfect symmetrical waves like this. You don't get, if it's an impulse, which I'm looking at this as an impulse, usually you're going to have a wave be bigger in size. And we're going to go over that in 1 second, how I'm looking at this. But I'm just not looking at these as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, that's just not it, guys. That's not it. It's way too symmetrical. And that's such a rarity. You will never see that. You will never see that. I can't count it like that. So we're going to go over what I am counting, and why I'm sitting in this short right now over on Blowfin. Guys, I posted this short over in the premium Discord. Make sure you check out the premium Discord. If you're in the free Discord, just click upgrade here, and you can see everything that's included. I post all my trades over there. You get more live charts, close-up live charts, live streams, all this. You know, I don't need to explain it. Just watch the video. There's a video that shows everything that's included if you want access to the premium Discord. But I did post this trade up here. And guys, quite frankly, I posted it in my video the other day. I told everyone that this was a deadly pattern. It was a corrective pattern. We went over this when we were right here. I mean, no one believes you, and everyone's kind of late to the party after we get some follow through. But you gotta have the anticipation. You know what I'm saying? I'm not right all the time either, guys. I am not right all the time. I will fully admit that. I'm human. I'm human. But I kind of know what I'm looking for. That's where I've been doing this long enough where I have confidence in my trades, for good or for bad, for better or for worse. This is the most likely count for BTC, guys. This is how I'm looking at it. So instead of counting all these as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how I'm seeing so many Elliottians count it as, like, I'm not seeing it, guys. I'm not seeing it. I'm looking at this as a simple 1, 2 down here. All of this is 3, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. I have a flat for 4 into 5. Like, this is a finished structure. Could have counted it finished here for sure. It just kept pushing. I need it to be finished here. Now, after we finish this correction, which I don't think we're finished, I want to come down here to 100K. I've been screaming 100K from the rooftops for a minute now, ever since we were up here. We may come and sweep highs, but still give us the shape in the form of a flat. It can happen, but still we're getting a corrective structure up here at the highs. We're going to go over Ethereum as well, guys. We're going to go over Ethereum as well. I'm going to make this all make sense for you. Give me a couple more minutes of your time. We're going to start hitting the close-up stuff. But I'm looking to take this down to 100K. When I'm zoomed in on this structure, I'm looking for an impulsive wave to match up with this impulsive wave here up at the top. And I'm not getting a finished impulse quite yet. Not getting a finished impulse quite yet. As we zoom in close up, I got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have our correction here finished. I have 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. We probably got to come down here and sweep this liquidity by the looks of it, guys. I really don't want to see this start hitting to the upside. If we do start hitting to the upside, the first thing I'm going to entertain is more of a corrective move. Maybe we do get a flat to start off. But as I'm looking at Ethereum, follow through to the downside is pretty clear and inevitable. Ethereum's chart is really telling. So stick with me until we get to Ethereum's chart, guys. But I'm looking at this continuing to push to the downside. No remorse. I don't want to see any serious pullbacks here. I really don't. This should keep pushing to the downside to 100. Here's a more detailed look at the actual wave structure, how I have it mapped out. We have ABC, the full impulse in red, And then the wave 3 in white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it should just keep pushing down. Maybe we'll get a bounce here at the lows before we bust through and snag all that liquidity. And then we have room for a correction. Then we have room for a correction here. All right. Now for the Ethereum chart, guys, before we hit Ethereum, make sure, number one, make sure you follow me on X at chart_junkies. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at maxedoutpoppy. All of that is pinned in the first comment down below. Make sure you check out all the links. If you want to trade on Blowfin, they are the #1 no KYC exchange. They are my main exchange. I've been trading with them for a long time. A long time for a reason. If you guys want to give them a try, just sign up with your email. I do have the best bonus for you available right now. 15% deposit bonus. Massive. This is good through June 2nd. You have a couple of days. Deposit max this, guys. Take advantage of this promo right now. Also, you get VIP reduced trading fees. Usually you got to trade 10 million trading volume. You get that automatically. All of that is included if you use code ChartJunkies or click the link pinned in the first comment down below. Code ChartJunkies will hook you up with that. Give them a try. I'm telling you, Blowfin is the #1 no KYC exchange. Undoubtedly. Undoubtedly. Let's hit Ethereum. Let's hit Ethereum. Okay. I was short Ethereum from right here. We came up, we got stopped out. No problem. Didn't re-enter that trade. But I was fully aware we could have had a flat pattern play out here for a correction. If they wanted to come and sweep liquidity on the heat maps, there was nasty liquidity up here. There really was. But I'm still looking at it the same way. I have a correction down on ETH. I had a correction up and I was looking for a big impulse down for a flat. Still have a correction up. There's no way I'm getting an impulsive wave on this. It's correction up. I'm still looking for an impulse down for a flat, guys. Nothing has changed here. Nothing. We just came and swept liquidity one more time. It is so clear on Ethereum's chart. I can't even, like, there's really no other way I would look at this until I'm proven wrong. I can't really look at this any other way. That's why I'm using this to really make this my primary account for BTC. I would probably have this as my primary account anyways. Ethereum is just really confirming that for me right now. So I don't see, you know, we're not even at the 786 fib yet. And we got a ways to go to that. And the wave structure is just indicating, hey, we need big dumps. We need big dumps. At least to the 1-to-1, if not the 1-2-7-2. Like let's tease coming in and filling this imbalance and not quite fill it yet. Have a nice bounce and then come down for a WXY. And, you know, as we zoom out, looks beautiful for boom, boom, boom. A nice corrective move to the upside to go along with BTC's boom, 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 corrective move to the upside, upon which should be a nasty, gnarly correction. And Ethereum can give us, let me load up this, guys, this chart is in the free Discord. This chart is in the free Discord. But I'm just going to load it up here for you. So here's our correction down that we're playing. Here's the ABC up. And I'm looking at a big, gnarly corrective move down for an E wave. I'm looking at this whole thing as a triangle and then big time pumps, guys. Big time pumps. This is the bigger picture on Ethereum. This is on the weekly time frame. Big time pumps right here for BTC. Big time pumps. Okay. I'm overall giga bullish. I really am. I just think we need to have some type of reconciliation here with this bullish structure that we put in. I need to correct this in a major way. I need some type of retracement here. That's how I'm viewing things right now, guys. I will keep you posted. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Man, we're feeling good about this market. We're feeling good about this market. Check out Blowfin, the best no KYC exchange in the game. Most of my trading is done on Blowfin. Drop a follow on Instagram. Drop a follow on X. I'll see you over in Discord, everyone. Trade safe. I love you.